Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Abarth 595 Turismo. This is the 1.4 turbo petrol, 3 doors, finished in circuit grey, and it's covered just 34,000 miles. So we'll have a good look round of this really smart looking Abarth. Excellent colour combination, circuit grey with the grey alloy wheels. Really looks the part. 2 owners from new, that's all, which is nice on one of these. Quite often they've had plenty of owners, so nice to have one with low ownership. 34,000 miles, really good service history, 5 stamps in the book, so well maintained throughout its life. Good tyres. So much fun, these Abarths. If you follow us or you go back through our page or our sold page on the website, you'll see we have had lots of these. We really like them. You can use them day to day, super easy to drive, but if you put it in sport mode and give it the beans, it puts a massive smile on your face. Nice sounding exhaust. Super little cars. Nicely spec'd as well. So we've got these hug me tight seats in good shape, no rips or tears, and then remote central locking. Does come with 2 keys. Door cards are good. Electric mirrors, and up onto the cut-off steering wheel. You've got controls for the Bluetooth and also your radio controls. Manual handbrake down there, and then we've got two cup holders at the back. As we make our way down, we've got another cup holder, one of the 2 cup holders. Auxiliary input, you've got your Blue and Me setup, 5-speed manual gearbox, electric windows. Obviously the interior based on the Fiat 500. So the air conditioning, all the knobs and buttons are the same. Sport button, which comes up on the rev counter. I'll start the car in a second. Radio CD. And you've got this classy looking dashboard. Handbooks in the glove box there. We've got a trip computer on the end of the stalk. And I think we better start the car up and... there we go. 34,413 is the mileage. I will just show you, before we go any further, the pedals as well. I really like those. They look excellent. 34,000 miles, you've got this digital display on the dash. If I push the sport button, there we go. Fun. And that's what these are. Into the back. It's a 4-seater, so 2 seat belts, 2 headrests. Got bits of Abarth splashed everywhere. Twin tailpipes at the back. And then into the boot space. I always think on these Fiat 500s Abarths, boot space is excellent for the size of car that it is. Split folding rear seats, you've got this little parcel shelf and the 4 floor mats as well, and then underneath you've got your locking wheel nut key and your inflation kit compressor and so on. So there we have it, 2015 on a 65 plate Abarth 595 Turismo, 34,000 miles from 2 owners with a good service history. Finance is available from just £174 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Good value Abarth. We always get through these at a rate of knots, so I'm sure this one's going to be snapped up. Thanks for watching.